In this exercise, I will configure the autoclave unit model. So if I right-click on the autoclave, you get the access window. The first thing I want to do is I want to set the pressure in the autoclave. And that's up here, requirements, operating P, which is the pressure. At the moment, it's running at atmospheric pressure. If you click on the little down arrow, you can see we can change that. And we'll use required P. So we want to set the pressure that we're going to run the autoclave at. Click on required P, and now you see we can set the pressure. At the moment, it's atmospheric, 101.33 kPa. We want to set that to 1,500 kPa. So I'll type that in, and you'll see it's still blue, and it'll remain blue until I click the OK button. And there it is. The result field, shown here, this grey field, will only change once we have solved SysCAD. And please do note again that your white field is where you can make a change as a user, and the grey field is calculated by SysCAD. So we've now told the autoclave that it will be running at 1,500 kPa. And the next thing we wanted to do is we wanted to work out the equilibrium with the water and the steam. So what we'll do is here in the evaluation block, VLE equilibrium, at the moment it's off, and that stands for Vapour Liquid Equilibrium. We'll go and turn that on. So on auto sequence, and you'll see it now has a VLE there. And we've got a new tab now called VLE, standing for Vapour Liquid Equilibrium. If I click on that, you'll see it's using water, H2O. And when we solve it, what SysCAD will do is it will try to run this unit at the equilibrium point at 1,500 kPa. So it'll try to get it to the equilibrium temperature for that pressure. So if I now solve this project, and to do that, if I push this run, SysCAD will go and solve that. And now if I have a look at this tank, you'll see there the result of the pressure is now 1,500 kPa. And if I right-click on one of the streams coming out of this autoclave, if I right-click on P007, you'll see it's at 102 degrees Celsius. And if I click on the SP page and go hide 0 so I can see all the flows, there's no steam coming out of that autoclave. So what SysCAD has done is it's condensed all the steam to try and get it up to the equilibrium temperature at that pressure. And if I look at the Q0 page here, you'll see 1,000 kPa, the saturated temperature at this pressure is 198.3 degrees Celsius. So SysCAD is trying to get this unit to that temperature. There's insufficient steam to get it there, so it's just condensed all the steam that it does have.